Your father treated your mother in a particular way, or vice versa. As a child, you might have got scared of it, but then you imbibed the entire thing as familiar. You created an opinion unconsciously that this is the pattern in which relationships run. Now you grow up, you unknowingly extension of either your father or your mother or any other elder whom you have observed as a child. You are now repeating similar patterns. You get into the same kind of situations where you attract your partners who mirror the energies and you get into the same pattern. So how to break the shackles? Stand in front of a big mirror, look into your eyes and talk to yourself. It was then. Now I'm an adult. My father and mother had their own soul plans. They were husband and wife. I have nothing to do with it. They had their own soul contracts and understandings with each other. I am completely independent of it. I am free. I am willing to release the sparkless relationships which I get into. The similar kind of partners I attract, or I become extension of my father or mother and behave in a particular way unknowingly in a relationship. I release all of it. Do this practice repeatedly till you feel lighter here.